Are you tired of burning your hand every time you drive your car on a hot sunny day? We have the perfect shift knob solution for you. What's up guys, my name's Jarrett. Today we're going to talk about our newest hybrid series shift knob called Traction. Traction is a weighted shift knob with a cool to the touch Delrin cover. This cover stays super cool in those hot summer days, but this weighted core smooths out those clunky shifts. Traction weighs 0.87 pounds. We were able to do this by CNC machining this core out of 303 stainless steel. Stainless steel is a heavy material, but we had to try to fit as much stainless in this shape of the knob as we possibly could, while still making this comfortable for you guys to shift with. The real game changer behind Traction is the heat resistant Delrin cover. This Delrin cover stays super cool to the touch during those hot summer days. We also offer this cover in two options, smooth and textured. Textured has a series of horizontal and vertical rings that allows you to have a very good grip zone in the shift knob, allowing you to rip through the gears. We always want to design versatility into our products. That's why we allow you guys to change between these covers with a very simple shift knob tool. All you have to do is slide this tool into the bottom of the knob, hold it, rotate the knob, and you can take this cover on and off and change out to a smooth cover whenever you want. When it came to designing Traction, we had to use two materials, and we wanted those two materials to have a very smooth transition between them. So we really focused on making sure that you could not feel any gap between where the Delrin changes to the stainless steel. If you run your finger over this, it's completely smooth. We're doing that so when you guys shift, it's just a smooth, effortless experience. Traction is 2.6 inches tall and 1.9 inches in diameter. Its shape is cylindrical and actually very similar to a Chico. It's just a little bit taller, but smaller in diameter. The reason we did that is so that you could use a variety of shifting positions to shift with this knob, while still getting you this texture that allows you to really grab the knob and rip the gears. Traction is available in 3 unique finishes that have their own characteristics. We have red translucent, brushed, as well as black matte. The red translucent finish is actually a clear tinted powder coat. So before we send this knob to powder coating, we hand brush finish the whole entire knob, lay the powder coat over top, and what you get is a beautiful prismatic finish of a red tinted clear with the brush finish that you can see through the powder. We also offer a brush finish. Brush is really good for that minimalist look. It's hand brush finished around the outside of the knob, and it has this stark contrast between the black cover and the natural look of stainless steel. We also offer a black matte finish for that low gloss stealth appearance that you have a common black look on your whole entire knob. The awesome finishing touch on the Traction is our design shift gate engraving pattern. It has a modern and minimal look with using our icon as the reverse logo, italicized numbers. The whole point of this is that the engraving actually matches the design language of the knob and just is a beautiful finishing touch. Traction was designed to work with any of our shift knob accessories, including boot collars and retainers, reverse lockouts, as well as both of our extenders. We design a modular ecosystem of adapters and shift knobs, so Traction works with any of our current adapters, including threaded adapters, as well as our non-threaded adapters. Traction is our cylindrical hybrid series knobs that has all the benefits of a weighted shift knob while never letting you worry about burning your hand. That's a wrap on the Traction product review video. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, enjoy the drive.